How to create and fill forms. Stale and calculated text fields. Click Tools, then Form to enter Form Edit mode. Double-click the target text field. In the right side toolbar, go to Styles. Here, you can set the border color, background color, text color, font style, size, and so on. You can also define how users input content in the field. This includes setting decimal places, separator styles, and currency symbols, depending on your formatting needs. You can precisely customize symbol placement before or after the value, whether to use parentheses, or even highlight content with red text. You'll see a live preview of your custom style here. For numeric fields, you can also perform calculations. Go to the Calculate section, where 5 options are available: sum, product, average, minimum, and maximum. For example, to calculate price by multiplying unit and quantity. Click the Price field, select Product, and choose Unit and Quantity from the list. Download UPDF now. Try it for free.